I'm going to do is have you go here against the wall shoe first. I'm going to have you do from that position is put your right foot forward and roll your foot out. Left foot forward, roll your foot out. Head up here, head up here. Good, good, good. And then head against the wall too. Let's turn around that way, same thing. Head up the whole time, look up here, look up here.
Sometimes I care about focus on.
Exactly, focus something way out there. Don't look down. Because right now you're in a safe spot because you're neck against the wall. And make sure, just as disclosure, nothing's on the floor. Come on, just want to make sure. Okay, don't hurt yourself. Does that feel okay?
Yeah.
Good. Turn around this way. Same thing, now close your eyes
Okay.
and bring your right foot up. Roll your right foot. Close your eyes, close your eyes. No cheating. Other side. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. Scaring me a little bit.
I'm sure.
Something like that. All right, and turn around too. Turn around. Eyes closed again. Eyes closed. Use the wall for balance. Nice and slow. Eyes closed. No cheating. Good. How's that feel?
I'm not much stable.
That's okay. We have to be unstable to get stable.
Yeah.
We have to practice.
I'm there.
We're unstable already. Got it.